The truth is, learning vocabulary doesn't have to be a tedious task. In fact, it is as effortless as simply going about our daily lives. Think about it. Most of us pick up new words and expressions without even realizing it. Just by being exposed to them through our favorite TV shows, movies, and books. That's exactly what I am going to talk about today. Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about how to learn vocabulary without even trying. I know many of you can relate to this struggle. We want to learn new words and improve language skills, but the thought of memorizing endless lists can be overwhelming. It is stressful, it is time consuming. Let's be honest, it can be downright boring. We put so much pressure on ourselves to remember every single word, but when we can't, we feel like we are not good enough. We think to ourselves, I am just not cut out for this language thing. But what if I told you there is a better way? We have all been there, stuck in a rut, trying to cram as many new words as possible into our brains, only to forget them into a few days. It's a vicious cycle. It can be really discouraging. But here's the thing. Our brains are wired to learn naturally. We can tap into that natural ability by simply exposing ourselves to the language we want to learn. How we can harness this power of passive learning. One of my favorite techniques is reading. I know what you are thinking. Reading is so boring. But trust me, it doesn't have to be. Whether it's a novel, a blog post, or even a social media update, reading exposes us to a new word or phrases in context, which makes them so much easier to remember. And the best part is, you are not even trying to learn. You are just enjoying a good story or staying up to date on current events. Another technique is listening to music. I mean, who doesn't love music? But did you know that listening to songs into your target language can help you pick up new vocabulary and improve your pronunciation? It's true, our brains are wired to respond to rhythm and melody, which makes language more memorable. Let's not forget about audiobooks, podcasts, or even a social media videos. All of these are powerful tools for passive learning. The key is to find something that you enjoy, something that doesn't feel like learning at all, and before you know it, you will be picking up a new word and phrases left and right. One technique that is really effective for many learners is engaging with content in their target language. This can be from anything, watching TV shows and movies with subtitles, to follow social media influencers or bloggers who post in the language you want to learn. The most powerful techniques I have come across is something called spaced repetition. Especially it involves reviewing new words at increasingly longer intervals to help them solidify into your long-term memory. The best part of this technique is that it can be applied to any method I have mentioned earlier. Reading, listening to music, engaging with content into your target language. The best part is it's incredibly effective, even for the learners who struggle with traditional memorization. I want to share my real life example how this technique worked for me. A few months ago, I started listening to podcasts. At first, I didn't understand much, but I didn't get discouraged. I just kept listening, and slowly I started to pick up on new words and phrases before I knew it. I understand the entire conversations without even realizing it. It was effortless and it was very amazing. So to recap, learning vocabulary doesn't have to be a struggle. By incorporating passive learning technique into our lives, we can pick up new words and phrases without trying. We can read, we can listen to music and engage with content in our target language. The possibilities are endless. Thank you for watching. That's all about today's video. Don't forget to like, share or subscribe, and also don't forget to check out my new videos. Again, thank you so very much for watching.